Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a prescription for my doctor.
Can I see it, please? I need to check the name.
Yes, here it is. It is for my cough.
I see. Your doctor wants you to have syrup.
Is it a strong medicine? I feel very weak.
It is effective. It will help you sleep better.
That is good. I cough a lot at night.
One moment, please. I must find it on the shelf.
No problem. I can wait for a few minutes.
Do you have any allergies? I must ask this.
No, I don't. I am not allergic to medicine.
Great. That is very important for your safety.
The pharmacy is very quiet. I like the music.
Thank you. It helps our customers feel relaxed.
Do you have many people here today?
No, not many. You are my third customer.
I am lucky. I don't like long lines.
I agree. Your prescription is very clear to read.
My doctor is very nice. He works nearby.
I know him. Dr. Smith is a great doctor.
Yes, he is. He helped my sister last month.
I found the syrup. It is right here.
Is the bottle big? I need it for a week.
It is 200 milliliters. It is enough for you.
Perfect. I want to feel healthy again soon.
You will. Just follow the doctor's instructions.
I will. I want to go back to work.
Don't rush. Your body needs some rest now.
You are right. I will stay in bed.
I am looking for the tablets. Please wait.
Do I need tablets too? I thought only syrup.
The prescription says vitamins. You need more energy.
Oh, I see. I am very tired these days.
These vitamins are very popular. They are high quality.
Are they expensive? I have a small budget.
No, they are not. They are 10 pounds only.
That is okay. I will take one pack.
Good. I am checking the expiration date now.
Is it okay? Is the medicine fresh?
Yes, it is. It is good until next year.
Excellent. I always check the dates on food.
That is smart. Medicine must be fresh too.
Do you have many vitamins? The shelf is full.
Yes, we have many. Some are for kids too.
I don't have kids. I live with my cat.
Cats are nice. They are very quiet.
My cat is loud. He wants food all day.
That is funny. Here are your vitamin tablets.
Thank you. They look like small orange pills.
Yes, they have an orange flavor. They taste good.
I like orange. It is a very fresh taste.
I am putting them on the counter now.
Do I need anything else? I'm not sure.
Your doctor wrote throat lozenges. Do you want them?
Yes, please. My throat is very sore today.
We have honey or mint flavor. Which one?
Honey, please. It is better for my throat.
I agree. Honey is very soothing and natural.
Great. I have everything from the list.
Now listen carefully. This part is very important.
I am listening. How do I take the syrup?
Take 10 milliliters. Do this 3 times a day.
10 milliliters. After food or before food?
Take it after food. It is better for stomach.
Okay, 3 times a day after my meals.
Yes, and take 1 vitamin pill every morning.
Just 1 pill. Can I take 2 pills?
No, only 1. More is not better for you.
I understand. I will follow your advice, Maria.
Use this small spoon. It is inside the box.
Thank you. I often lose my own spoons.
Keep it in the box, then it is safe.
What about the lozenges? How often for those?
You can have 1 every 4 hours, not more.
Every 4 hours. Should I swallow them whole?
No, don't swallow them. Let them melt slowly.
Okay, I will let them melt in my mouth.
Drink plenty of water too. It helps the medicine.
I drink tea. Is warm tea okay for me?
Yes, warm tea is great. Use some real honey.
I have honey at home. My friend has bees.
That is perfect. Natural honey is the best medicine.
I will make a big cup of tea tonight.
Good. Don't forget the syrup before you sleep.
I will put it near my bed, then I remember.
That is a good plan. You are very organized.
I try to be. Being sick is very difficult.
I know, but you will be better very soon.
I hope so. Thank you for the instructions. Wait, Maria, does this medicine have side effects?
Some people feel sleepy. It is very common here.
Sleepy? Can I drive my car to work?
No, don't drive today. It is not very safe.
Okay, I will take the bus or walk.
Walking is better. Fresh air is good for lungs.
Will I feel dizzy? I hate feeling dizzy.
It is rare, but sit down if you do.
Should I take it with milk? I like milk.
No, use water. Milk can change the medicine.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you for telling.
You're welcome. Always read the small paper inside.
The paper with tiny letters? It is hard to read.
Yes, I know. I can explain the main parts.
You are very helpful. My doctor was very fast.
Doctors are busy. Pharmacists have more time for you.
I can see that. You explain everything very clearly.
If you feel a rash, stop the medicine immediately.
A red rash? Is that a dangerous sign?
It means an allergy, but don't worry, it is rare.
I will watch my skin. I am very careful.
Good. Do you have a headache too, Tom?
A little bit. My head feels very heavy today.
You can take paracetamol. Do you have some at home?
No, I don't. Can I buy a small pack?
Yes, I have it here. It is very cheap.
Add it to my list. I need everything today.
Here it is. Take it only if you have pain.
Only for pain. I will remember that rule.
You are a good student. You listen very well. Do you need any masks or some hand sanitizer?
Yes, masks are a good idea. I have none.
We have blue masks or we have black ones.
Blue is fine. How many are in a pack?
There are 10 masks. They are very comfortable.
I will take one pack. I want to protect others.
That is very kind. We must be responsible together.
Do you have tissues? I use many tissues now.
Yes, we have soft tissues with aloe vera.
Aloe vera? Is that good for my red nose?
Yes, it is very soft. It protects your skin.
My nose is very red. I look like a clown.
No, you don't. You just look a bit sick.
I will take 2 packs of tissues, please.
2 packs. Anything else? Maybe a thermometer?
Oh yes, I need to check my temperature.
We have digital ones. They are very fast.
Are they easy to use? I am not good with tech.
Just press this button. Wait for the beep sound.
That sounds easy. I will take the digital one.
It shows the result in 10 seconds. It is modern.
Perfect. I want to know if I have a fever.
If it is over 38, call your doctor again.
38. Okay, I will write that number down.
You have many items now. Do you have a bag?
No, I don't. Can I have a paper bag?
Yes, I will give you a big one for free.
Thank you, Maria. You are very generous today.
It is our service. We want you to be comfortable.
Now I am ready. Let's check the price.
Let's see the total. I am scanning everything.
Is it very expensive? I hope not too much.
The total is 25 pounds. Is that okay?
25 pounds. That is a fair price for all.
The paracetamol was very cheap. Only 1 pound.
That is good. Health is more important than money.
I agree. Do you want to pay with cash?
No, I have my credit card. It is faster.
Please tap your card here. The light is blue.
Did it work? I heard no sound.
Wait a second. The machine is very slow today.
Oh, it says approved now. The light is green.
Perfect. Do you want a receipt for your insurance?
Yes, please. My insurance pays for my medicine.
Here is your receipt. I am putting it in the bag.
Thank you. My company is very good with insurance.
That is a big help. Medicine can be expensive.
Yes, it can. but your pharmacy has good prices.
We try to help everyone. We are a local shop.
I will tell my neighbors about you. You are great.
Thank you, Tom. Word of mouth is very helpful.
My neighbor is old. She needs many medicines too.
Tell her we deliver. We can bring medicine to her.
Really? That is a wonderful service for old people.
Yes, it is free. We want to help our community.
I will tell her tonight. She will be very happy.
Thank you. Now, let's pack your bag properly.
Okay, put the heavy bottle at the bottom.
Good thinking. I am doing that right now.
Everything looks very neat. I am ready to go.
One last thing, Tom. Do you have a thermometer?
Yes, we just put it in the bag, remember?
Oh, yes. I am a bit tired, too.
It is a busy morning. You work very hard.
I love my job. I like to help people feel better.
You are a very good pharmacist. You have a heart.
Thank you. Don't forget the masks in public places.
I will wear one now. I don't want to cough here.
That is very responsible. Here is one for now.
Is it straight? Does it look okay?
Yes, it is perfect. It covers your nose and mouth.
It is a bit hard to breathe, but it is okay.
You will get used to it. It is for safety.
I'm going home now. I will make some tea.
Use the honey and don't forget the vitamin pill.
1 pill in the morning, 10 milliliters of syrup.
You remembered everything. You have a great memory.
I am a teacher. I must have a good memory.
A teacher? What subject do you teach to kids?
I teach history. I love old stories and dates.
History is fascinating. It is important to know our past.
I agree, but today I am a student. You are teacher.
We all learn from each other every day.
That is a very wise thought. I will remember it.
Get some sleep, Tom. Sleep is the best medicine.
I will sleep for 10 hours. My cat will sleep too.
Say hello to your cat. What is his name?
His name is Oscar. He's a big orange cat.
Orange cat and orange vitamins. It is a match. I hope you feel better tomorrow.
Thank you. I will come back if I need more.
We are here every day from 8 to 8.
That is good to know. Have a nice afternoon.
You too. Be careful on the street. It is rainy.
I have my umbrella. It is in my other hand.
Good. Don't get wet. It is bad for your cough.
I will be fast. My house is very close.
See you very soon.
See you later.
Goodbye.